Good morning to all of you. Now I am going to start decimal number in decimal forms. In class 10, maths, rational numbers in decimal forms. This is your topic, rational number in decimal forms. Every rational number when expressed, it is expressed in terminating and terminating or non-terminating, repeating decimal forms. It can be expressed when every decimal number when expressed, it can be expressed in only in terminating or in non-terminating repeating decimal forms. There are only two forms in which any decimal number can be so by in terminating terms or in non-terminating terms. An important observation. An important observation of this rational number is that of rational number. So to test whether a rational number is terminating or non-terminating, repeating decimal forms. Here, how can you test? Let x be a rational number in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. Let x be. तो to be a rational, तो फर्स्ट है to be terminating form, to be a rational, to be x. Yeah, I have support x as a rational number, then to be x as a terminating farm. To be x as in a terminating farm, Q is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, where m and n are non-negative integers. So to be x, to be any rational number, Q must follow this value. It must be in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. The Q must be in the form of this. Then we can say the x, meaning any rational number may be in the form of terminating decimal. Now second, to be x as a non-terminating repeating decimal form. To be x as a non-repeating, Q x as a non-terminating repeating decimal form in decimal form. Q must be in the form, should be in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, where m and n are non-negative negative integers. Q must be in the form of this. Must not be in the form of this for non-repeating. For example, let's take 33 by 50. Here 50 Q is equal to 50. Factor of 50 is here 2 and 5 are the factors. 2 and 5 are the factors of 50, which is not factor of 33. Then we can say that 33 by 50 is in smallest form. It is necessary that the factors of the numerator must not be the factor of the numerator. It is necessary here. So now, so 50 is in terms of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, where m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2. Here m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2. Q is here. Q meaning is equal to 50 is equal to 2 into 5 to the power 2. So 33 by 50 is terminating decimal form. Also you can see Also, you can see 33 by 50, which is 33 by 2 into 5 to the power 2. It is equal to 33 into 2 by 2 into 2 into 5 power 2. Here we have multiplied numerator by 2 and denominator by 2. Then the value remains same. So we can multiply by the same thing in denominator and numerator. This will be 66 by 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2, and this is 66 by 2 into 5 to the power 2. This is equal to 6 by 10 to the power 2, that is equal to 6 by 100 is equal to 0.66. This is the terminating decimal. This is terminating decimal. For non-terminating, example for non-terminating. Take 17 by 90. Take 17 by 90. Here 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. That is equal to 2 into 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power into 5. Here Q is equal to 90 is equal to 2 into 3 to the power 2 into 5, not is equal to 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Here this value is not in the form of this. So here 3 to the power 2 is extra for this combination. So since two, 3, 5, since 2, 3, 5 are factors of 90, but not factors of 17. So 17 by 90 is in smallest form. Smallest form. From here, 90 is not equal to 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So 17 by 90 is non-terminating repeating decimal form. Thank you. and this is Safi. We have to proceed for the other questions.